Introducing the Sjøhest WBI, a wind blade installation solution designed to reduce installation time between turbines. As wind farms go further offshore, an efficient installation strategy for the next generation of wind turbine blades in these harsher environments is required. These challenges relate to larger wind turbines, higher hub heights and the corresponding larger blades. The Sjøhest, Norwegian for seahorse, is inspired by nature. Like the seahorse, that uses its unique and strong grasping tail to resist ocean currents, the Sjøhest connects itself to the tower, creating an aligned movement for safe and efficient blade installation.
The Sjøhest WBI concept consists of a small handling crane and a trolley system with a telescopic boom that installs the blades.
The Sjøhest WBI concept eliminates the need to utilize the large wind turbine installation vessels which conventionally performs this operation.
By decoupling these tasks, a 30% efficiency gain can be achieved.
This solution can be installed on compact jack-up vessels as a new build or converted unit.
By leveraging NOV's global resources and unrivaled aftermarket services, the Sjøhest is supported throughout its lifespan.